So we're out on water. There's a ladybird on my camera. We just had to go through a load of thick bushes. Like, I've still got bits in my hair. Look at the state of kayak, look. Everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully head down to a lake, have a bit of a fish, bought fishing rods, wheels, and just have a good time. Look at this, look. Can holder. Is there anything better? A kayak. Not a personalised can holder, but it's supposed to be for fishing related stuff, but that is fishing related stuff, innit? End of the day. Come on. Yeah. Just heading under a main road bridge. Don't know what Sco is doing. But yeah. Beautiful. Right, it's getting a bit faster here, so I'm gonna have to go for a minute. Wow. Just cruising. Just a quick pit stop. I've got episode of Bug's Life in my kayak. There's mozzies everywhere. I've got some Skin So Soft in my bag, so I might have to fucking shove some of that on in a minute. But mate, I've seen some big fish back down there, like topping and a lot. I'll have to go back up there, see if we can catch. But yeah, just enjoying it, just enjoying the cruise. Net going across. Oh. Giant, going too fast, man.
Typical me and Scoey. Haven't planned it out. Just dumped in a river and see how far we can get. Not quite fast there. Dead read it. I don't know how we're going to get back up, but we do it when we get to it. Keep getting stuck.
Nip slip.
We just deal with it when we get to it. Crash.
We never plan out our quick kiss.
We just deal with it when we get to it and see what happens, don't we?
Yeah.
Put your tits away.
I can't help it.
Put it away.
Out.
Indecent images.
Indecency exposure.
Yo, look like a bridge down there. Oh, I'm going home now.
Oh, flip your ass up. Look at this lot. And break U-turn. Got a straggler. You want a sketch? So if you're wondering what kayaks we've got, well, both of us have got a Sevylor. Is it Sevylor?
I don't really know how you've got it.
Well, I'm going to say Sevylor. Sevylor Colorado. Well, they're both Colorados. I think mine is a Coleman. Colorado Coleman, I think. Because it's a fishing version. It's got like loads of attachments what go on here. I've left them in van now. Don't really need them at the minute, but looking forward to using them. Both are 2-manner, so we can fit all kit in and stuff when we go camping. Yeah, pretty tough kayaks, aren't they, Ben?
Yeah, bad boys.
I mean, the yellow kayak that I had before, I've got rid of it now, but that was still solid, that, wasn't it? It got us through stuff left, right and centre. Been through down rivers, lakes, sea, all sorts. Never let me down. Well, I just fancied something a bit different, and it's green, so I like a bit of green. But yeah, don't know, might do a review on them at some point when we've used them for quite a while or whatnot. But liking them so far, bang on, to be fair. I'm getting stuck in reeds here. But yeah, not too bad. I had to get saw out once, look, because there are a blockage up there. There are like a few fallen down trees in way at river, so chopped through them just to get access. So yeah, what a lovely day.
And he's always on. Just seen a bird.
Bro, flying! Oh shit!
Not at all. Mozzie galore. Mozzie galore. Looks like a blockage youth. Oi! That's a massive perch. Where's that just gone? Wow! Right. Just down here. Quick rest. On the bridge. Sun's beaming, it's a bit warm. Isn't it, that kid? Bro! Right, oh, I'm going, wait there. Right, advice of the day is make sure you plan your trips. Me and they are knackered. We've only come, I don't know, not far have we?
Mile.
I mean just from there.
Alright, yeah.
Probably half a football pitch and we're bollocks.
Going back upstream. It's quite a fast flowing river. But
We're getting absolutely annihilated by mosquitoes.
there you go.
But yeah, we have got about I bet we've got a mile to go. Easy.
Nice though. It's good to get back out again.
It's about 7 o'clock at night, so we're going for it.
Proper job.
We'll show you some bushes we've got to get under in a minute. Yeah. Oh. Oh no, Stuke, you're coming back down. Stop. Oh, you do have some stupid ideas.
Wait, let me come back a bit. And he's got a good run up.
What? You're not giving me?
Well, I got a very good run up there, Dan.
I'm not going back down there. He's not going nowhere.
I'm gone! I'm fucking gone!
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so still paddling back upstream. It's taking a bit, to be fair, because it's quite weedy. Scoey's a bit in front. I've just been beached, so yeah. Tell you what though, good fun, I suppose. Good workout as well. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Just trying to concentrate. What a day, eh? This is how thick the stuff we've been through. Just giving you a quick snippet. You can't even see Scoey, but he is on. He is in there. I'm rotating now, so I'm gonna have to. We've smashed it up here, but yeah, I'm gonna get myself through there. Quick time. I'm floating back down. Good thing about having a camper van. Ice cold beers in the hidden fridge. Cheers. So, verdict, Ben.
Good thing about being in the middle of nowhere. Knackered.
Not really, he's picking it up. He's being a good boy.
Knackered, mate, knackered. That was good. Too shallow, wasn't it? Too shallow and
Yeah.
too much crap.
Thing is, the skegs were hitting bottom sometimes on kayaks. And from travelling upstream, when you go to take a break, people who do kayaking know what we're on about. Hopefully. Unless we're doing it wrong.
Yeah.
As you're going upstream, you want to take a break. That's it, river starts taking you back down again. So all that work you've done, you start going back. But Jesus Christ. Tell you what though, good fun though, wasn't it?
Up way down. Up way up.
We met some people a long way. It goes through a campsite, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The river.
Like, as we were trying to come back up and all, they talked to us like, yeah, and just. Oh.
But yeah, got smashed by mozzies a little bit before I put Skin So Soft on, but hey ho. He's letting us down, look. Like a saggy tit. I'll let mine down in a minute, look at this. It's gonna need a good hose down. Got all bits inside it, look. Oh, you know about that, don't you? Can.
Been bit to by hell.
But yeah, it's been a bit of a short video, just to get back into it, but we just wanted to get out and
Just trying them
have some
out,
fun.
ready for camp.
Yeah, ready for camping. Hopefully it's kayak camping and fishing.
thinking Lake District.
Hopefully. We've got
The next few
day
weeks.
booked in, haven't we? But we'll have to rearrange it. But yeah, hopefully soon
All sorts. Even if it's
we'll be out.
even if it's a campsite camp with girls.
Yeah. I mean,
Yo.
we might just do a few videos, a bitting and bobbing, stuff like that, you know, just to,
Keep active.
yeah, just show what we're doing and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll probably love you and leave you there. We're going to get kayaks put away, we're going to finish our beers first and then head back off because we're both starving. So yeah, you got anything else to say, Ben?
No, I never do. I just don't.
I tell you what, give them a top tip for the week.
Top tip of the week.
Go on then.
Go on the dole. Footwork.
There's your top tip for the week. I'll love you, leave you there.